Claude AI 2026, the complete introduction. As of February 2026, Claude AI has solidified its reputation as the world's leading reasoning engine. Developed by Anthropic, Claude has moved beyond being a simple chatbot to become a sophisticated digital collaborator that excels in coding, long document analysis, and autonomous task execution. Unlike its competitors, who often focus on multimodal flashy features like native image video generation, Claude 2026 is built on the philosophy of constitutional AI, ensuring it remains helpful, honest, and harmless through a rigorous ethical framework. 1. The 2026 model family, the 4.6 series. In February 2026, Anthropic released its most advanced models to date, the 4.6 series, which introduced adaptive thinking, the ability for the model to choose how much brainpower to use for a task. Claude Opus 4.6, the flagship, the gold standard for reasoning. It is currently the highest performing model on global coding benchmarks like SWE Bench, capable of solving complex software engineering tasks that take hours of autonomous work. Claude Sonnet 4.6, the workhorse. The most popular model for pro users. It balances near-instant speed with intelligence that rivals older flagship models. It is the default engine for Claude Cowork. Claude Haiku 4.5, the speedster. Optimized for high-volume, low-latency tasks like customer support automation and rapid data extraction. 2. Revolutionary features of 2026. Claude has pioneered several industry-standard features that have redefined how we interact with AI. Claude Cowork, computer use. Introduced as a research preview in late 2024 and fully polished by 2026, this feature allows Claude to move your cursor, click buttons, and type text within your desktop environment. It can literally sit next to you and handle your spreadsheet data or file management. 1 million token context. Window. Claude can now read and remember up to 1 million tokens, roughly 750,000 words, in a single session. This allows you to upload entire code bases or a dozen 500-page textbooks and ask specific questions across all of them simultaneously. Claude Code, a dedicated terminal-based tool for developers. It lives in your command line and acts as a senior engineer, autonomously refactoring code, running tests, and fixing bugs without human intervention. Artifacts 2.0, a side-by-side window where Claude renders code, websites, and diagrams in real time. In 2026, this now supports full interactive 3D models and dynamic financial dashboards. Why use Claude over other AIs? In 2026, the choice to use Claude usually comes down to 3 factors. Natural writing. Users consistently report that Claude's writing feels the most human and least bot-like, making it the favorite for authors and marketers. Coding supremacy. For software developers, Claude Opus 4.6 is widely considered the most accurate model for complex logic. Safety and ethics. Because of its constitution, Claude is less likely to hallucinate or provide biased, unsafe information compared to more aggressive models. Getting started. To experience Claude 2026, you can use the web interface at Claude AI, the mobile app, or integrate it directly into professional tools like Xcode 26.3 or Slack. The model lineup, the 4.6 era. As of February 2026, the Claude 4.6 series is the standard. Claude Opus 4.6, the heavy lifter. It's the world's highest-ranked model for coding, dominating benchmarks like SWE Bench and complex financial reasoning. Claude Sonnet 4.6, the default model for most users. It provides Opus-level intelligence, but at 2x the speed, making it the primary choice for daily professional work. Adaptive thinking, a major 2026 update. Claude can now dynamically decide how much reasoning time a task needs. It answers simple questions instantly, but pauses to think for 10-30 seconds on complex logic problems. The execution features, from chat to action. The biggest change in 2026 is that Claude has a body in the form of your computer interface. Claude Cowork, a desktop application that allows Claude to see your screen and move your cursor. It can autonomously organize files, fill out web forms, and move data between apps, e.g., taking info from a PDF and building an Excel dashboard. Claude Code, a specialized tool for developers that lives in the terminal. It can refactor entire codebases, run tests, and fix bugs while the human developer focuses on high-level architecture. 1 million token context. Window. You can now upload roughly 2,500 pages of text, or an entire project's codebase, and Claude will hold it all in active memory for perfect recall. The constitutional edge. Anthropic's 2026 identity is built on trust and safety. While other AIs are facing scrutiny for data privacy, Claude uses constitutional AI to follow a strict ethical code. Context compaction, a new 2026 feature that automatically summarizes long conversations so the AI doesn't get confused or lazy during multi-day projects. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified on daily updates.